Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our second lesson of information technology. In previous lesson we have learned about gadgets and in this video we will learn about Aero themes. Dear students, an Aero theme is a combination of one or more desktop backgrounds, window colors, sounds and screensaver. You can apply any of the themes to change the desktop background, window color, sound and screensaver simultaneously. Moreover, you can make the desktop background to change automatically after some specified time interval using the desktop slideshow feature of Windows 7. Changing the desktop background. The background is a wallpaper that is displayed on your desktop. To change the desktop background, follow these steps. Number 1. Right click anywhere on the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Number 2. Click Personalize. A window showing different themes appears. Number 3. Select a theme under the Aero Themes section to apply it to the desktop. Note that all Aero themes except the Windows 7 include slideshow. Changing the screensaver. The screensaver is an animated image which is displayed on the monitor if your computer is left idle for some time. To change the screensaver, follow these steps. Number 1. Right click anywhere on the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Click Personalize. The personalization window showing different themes appears. Number 3. Click the screensaver option. The screensaver settings dialog box appears. Number 4. Select the desired screensaver from the screensaver drop-down box. For example, select bubbles. Number 5. Click the preview button to see the full screen preview of the screensaver. Number 6. Move the mouse or press any key on the keyboard to return to the screensaver settings dialog box. Number 7. Change the timing if required in the wait box. Use the arrows to increase or decrease the timing. Number 8. Click the apply button and then click OK. Dear students, the screensaver appears if your computer is left idle for the number of minutes specified in the wait box. To get back to your desktop when a screensaver is running, press any key of the keyboard or move the mouse. So dear students, in this video we have learned about changing the desktop background and changing the screensaver. So watch the video carefully.